Video to show how to use the AI tools in Photoshop to extend an image. So let's say that I want to extend this image here, and let's say that the final output needs to be, if I go to image canvas size, let's say it needs to be 1500 pixels wide, and I've got to fill this extra area, right? Because my image runs out. So all I have to do is go to the rectangular marquee tool up here on the top left, and then I'm just going to do a little describe a box here, and this is the area I need to fill in. And then I'm going to go to Edit, Content Aware Fill like that, and it's automatically going to pick up the content from the rest of the image and fill it over there on the right. Then all I have to do is hit Apply and then OK, and now I've got the rest of my image, and the AI tool has done this automatically. And I can flatten that off. I can go right click, flatten image, and then of course select, deselect, and then I can go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And now I'm going to have a complete AI completed image, which is the right size, the right format for the client, because let's say that's what they wanted, was 1500 pixels wide. And that is how to use the generative AI tools in Photoshop to extend an image to the directions that you want.